What's up everyone, welcome back. And this video is a little different to normal videos because I've been having some annoying problems with my Elgato HD60S. I keep getting a echoing sound in my gameplay when I'm recording. So in this video I'm going to quickly just show you how to get rid of it. Hopefully it works for you. It seemed to have worked for me. So I'm glad that I was able to get rid of it because there's nothing more annoying than having an echo when you've got like explosions going off and there's gunfire and everything sounds like you're in a cave or some shit like that. You know, it's just the most annoying sound in the world. So hopefully this works for you guys and you're able to fix it and get rid of the problem because it drove me nuts. So when you first got the Elgato, you would have had to have downloaded some capture software. So when you did that, you would have downloaded sound capture as well. So what you want to do is open the sound capture up just like that, and then go into the advanced settings and scroll down to these two boxes right here. Normally they'd be checked, but I have them unchecked, so you want to take the tick off both boxes. I actually spent a lot of time messing around in there because I didn't actually realize that I downloaded the sound capture part, so I spent most of my time in the other one. So make sure you go into the sound capture and uncheck those two boxes, and that seems to have fixed the problem for me at least. But yeah, so that's it guys. Hopefully this helps you fix the problem. If it does, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.